Welcome back again. Another video. This is like getting consistent now. So this is a carry on from yesterday's job we're doing. This is the night heater that I'm going to be doing now. I will give you a warning, there will be a lot of effing and blinding. There will be quite a bit of choice words because it is an absolute bugger of a job. But anyway, I took all the inner wing off already and I've got my Eva out and cleaned all the mud out, and it was caked in mud. So I'm going to show you what's involved, show you it all, and then I'll record as best as I can with the job. It's obviously hard because it's such an awkward position for me to put where my camera's going to be, but I'll try and show you the best I can. So this is the culprit here, this thing here. So we've got exhaust, we've got to get off here, we've got all this piping, plugs, it's bolted down here, it's bolted on brackets down here. It's a bit of a nightmare really. I'm going to get this off out of the way. I've got the brace off that goes from here to there. So let's start stripping it best we can, and then I'll stop it in bits and show you what I can when it's not in time lapse. Here's the progress. We've got this big bracket out of the way here so we can see a little bit more down here. I'm either going to take it off here, which I've never took it off before, or there's little screws in here. It's just so fiddly. And then there's pipes here. They've got to come off as well. So as you can see, it's so fiddly and awkward, but we will get there. So a little update. I just fucking hate doing this, to be honest with you. I'm gonna got that pipe off there, got to get that one out of there. I'm gonna take this bracket out of the way so it gives us a bit more room. But it's just, there's brackets and bolts for everything. It's just an absolute nightmare, but we're getting there slowly. It's nearly out and I can show you a bit more of the night here. So, new one, an old one. I'm gonna put it into the nicest words I can. That was an absolute bastard. Like, just a shit job. Proper shit job. This title of this video is gonna be the shittest job I've done. But it's out. It's only took me 6.5 years, but it's out. So we're gonna have to swap all this bracket over. These holes have got to be tapped as well. So yeah, wish me luck. I've got to get all that back together. So these new ones don't come with taps threaded holes. Just use the old bolts out of here, and then they will tap your new holes, or you can put a tap down or whatever way, but we'll just use the bolts to tap the holes. So yeah, let's get all these holes tapped out. It's this side, 3 this side, 3 the other side, and then start putting the bracket back on. a little update here. 2 mounting bolts here. I'm just going to explain this as best I can. I take these 2 mounting bolts out here, so they're all done up, they're all done up. 2 mounting bolts down here, one and further down. That's all secure. There's a bracket here that's got to come off, that's for the exhaust pipe here. So this has all got to go back on, all the wiring. And then all the cover for the internal, like the brace, and then the bracket that goes here as well. So yeah, if anyone knows a better way of doing these, then let me know. I think I've done it the best way I can, as in removing these two nuts, removing that, take that bracket out, take them bolts out and pull it all out as one. So yeah, it's just a bit of a poo job, but we're getting there slowly, and hopefully we should have this done soon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace that fuel pipe clamp because it's not the best, so I've just got a new one here. I'll put that in, put that back on there, all this wiring secure back up, and then we can think about putting the cover back on. So yeah, we're putting it in is a damn sight easier. It's a lot easier. So let's get the last little bit done, and then fingers crossed we should pretty much there. That's the night heater done. Top the coolant up where we've lost a little bit of coolant. God, I can't reach. So we've got the night heater now fired up, and we'll see how we get on. So I'll come back to you, and hopefully we'll be toasty warm in here. Can you hear that? That is the sound of a night heater firing up. What we're saying, people, so I've had to end this video here because it was literally like get it done and get it sort of finished up and jobs to go home. So just holding the camera so it don't shake. So that night heater was a pain in the ass. Like, there's no denying it. It was an absolute pain in the ass, but that's what happens when you get jobs like that. They can be a pain. Maybe next time it'll be done a bit quicker than what it was, but proper shit job. Just, if I was you, I'd take the bracket off like I did. If you know a better way of doing them, please let me know in the comments. So I hope you're all having a great evening. I hope you're all keeping well. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'm heading up north, see family, and I'll see you in the next video.